Right. I want to call your attention for the sweet spot. You let me, please. So here, excuse me, I'm in this position, right? I got open your knees more. Yeah. Yeah, I got the pyramid stance. Okay, so I arch, make sure that the knee has pressure. Look, arch, now I push my hip back, boom, stop the foot on the knee, right? Here what happens, none of you are adjusting this leg here. I see you guys here, when you're doing the arching, you keep your knee in front of the body. Okay, what I do here, when I start to arch, I place my knee right on the rib. So now look, when I lift the knee, I have traction to bring him up. So you need to adjust, one more time here. Real quick. So when I arch, I pull the collar and I put pressure off my knee against his body. It's very important because if he tries to pass my guard and if I don't put pressure, he can wrap my leg like that. Yeah, either push or go back again. Or just kind of grab it, hug it. Yeah, right there. You go back again. So if I do this and he tries to do the same thing, look how much stronger I am. You see I kind of spread you out right there? Move my hip, boom. And here right now, before I go, this leg here, I place my knee on the rib. So here, look, I slide just a bit. I'm gonna start to slide, I pull him. Look, it's a lot easier to pull him from that way and then finish the position. Let's see you guys do it.